Yeah, this is my other Jeep.
Oh.
I'm trying to compare the two. I know this one weighs a little bit more.
What's your name again?
Dan. Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Have a good weekend. All right, we got, this one is 4160 with me in it. So 4020 without me in it. I came here yesterday in the 5.2 and that weighed, I have it right here. That weighed 4060 with me in it. And I took the front passenger seat out and got it down to 3860 without me in it and without the front passenger seat. So the 5.9 is 100 pounds heavier than the 5.2. Plus I still have the front passenger seat and I still have the subs. And these subs are bigger than the subs in my 5.2, so they're a little heavier. These are 212s. My 5.2 has 210s. But yeah, I've always wanted to know how much these Jeeps weighed. And I knew the 5.9 was a little bit heavier than the 5.2. So, there you go. 4,160 pounds. 4,020 pounds without me in it. Peace and blessings to everyone. Hope everybody's doing well.